Welcome to my show. It's me, Dhritiyatri, bringing you the top news from all around the globe that keeps you updated. So, here are the top 30 headlines from all around the globe. Pentagon's sharp warning here: destroy the enemy. That's right, US Defense Secretary Mr. Pete Hegseth delivers a blunt message from inside America's military command chain. The tone: direct, unfiltered, and strategic. The hammer doctrine here: Hegseth calls the US military a hammer that prefers restraint. But if it strikes, he says it will strike to win. Boeing backdrop, global signal. A speech at Boeing Defense headquarters, it was not accidental. It tied manufacturing power to military readiness here. B-2 bombers in the spotlight. Mr. Hegseth referenced precision drops by B-2 Spirit stealth bombers, a reminder of America's invisible reach. 37-hour operation highlighted here. He described a 37-hour mission as a beautiful precision, strategic storytelling, or strategic warning. Message beyond Iran. Well, the signal was not just for Tehran. Rivals like Moscow and Beijing, they were listening too. Arsenal of freedom returns. Well, a historic phrase re-emerges in modern tensions here. Production power, it meets the battlefield posture. Middle East on the edge. US forces remain deployed across the hostile zone. Here, one miscalculation could redraw the map overnight. Iran issues airspace alert. Tehran releases a formal NOTAM warning. In the meantime, pilots were told to stay clear. Well, missile activity incoming. Missile test or strategic signal, routine exercises or preparation for escalation. Well, the question is there because the timing makes all the difference. Strait of Hormuz under watch. Joint Iran-Russia drill near the Strait of Hormuz, it raised the alarms, a corridor that fuels the global economy. Naval drills with Moscow. Well, Iran coordinates exercises with Russia. A layered message: we are not alone. US bases within reach. American installation across the Gulf remains on alert. Defense system activated, surveillance intensified. Trump enters the debate here. US President Mr. Donald Trump, he issues a warning online, this time about a strategic island space. Diego Garcia controversy. Well, focus shift to Diego Garcia in the Indian Ocean, a vital UK-US military hub. Britain's sovereignty shift. Prime Minister Keir Starmer considers transferring the Chagos Island. That's right. Here, critics fear weakening strategic control. Strategic geography exposed? Maybe. Well, Trump calls the move a big mistake. Are political statements revealing military priorities? Well, only time will tell. US troops exit Syria. Nearly 1,000 troops prepare orderly withdrawal here. A reset or a retreat? Al Tanf garrison emptied. The strategic Al Tanf garrison sees reduced presence here, a former pressure point near Iran-linked route. Naval power stays strong. That's right, ground forces shrink, but warships remain. Less boots and more deterrence. Oklahoma wildfire explodes. Over 155,000 acres burnt across the city. Their governor, Kevin Stitt, he declares the state of emergency. Roger Road fire rages. Nearly 145,000 acres scorched in one blaze. Wind up to 70 mph fuel devastation. Turkey steps in now. That's right, their president Recep Tayyip Erdogan, he urges restraint between the US and Iran. Basically, a NATO voice calls for the calm. Mediation behind closed doors here. Ankara speaks to both Tehran and Washington. Diplomacy races against escalation here. Tucker Carlson airport claim. Journalist Tucker Carlson alleges detention in Tel Aviv. A media controversy amid the rising tension. Muwafaq Salti base video. Well, Iranian media showcases Muwafaq Salti Air Base images. This base is in Jordan, but a key one to the United States. You know what here? Symbolism is sharper than the words. USS Gerald R. Ford deploys. The super carrier USS Gerald R. Ford heads to the Gulf. Well, this shows power projection in motion. Dual carrier presence. It joins USS Abraham Lincoln in regional water. Here we have 2 floating air bases and 1 dense theatre. Farsi messaging escalates. Well, the US Central Command posts in Farsi. That's rare. In the meantime, Iran's supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei responds firmly. New York City tax storm erupts. Well, Mayor Zohran Mamdani faces backlash over 9.5% tax hike. Affordability promise meets budget reality. And with that, that's a wrap-up of our 30 news bulletins from around the globe. From Israel to the United States, from New York City to Turkey, the world is changing and so is geopolitics. But don't you worry, me, Dhrutia, 3 on Times XP is here to keep you updated. See you tomorrow.